Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert multiple symbol in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that insert multiple symbol. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for a drawing option. Now click for a shape option. Now select from the equation option. Then click for a multiply. Now draw a icon. Now this icon is change color, then choose color. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then you show insert multiple symbol is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.